My name is Jonathan Kindle, and I am a wood finisher. My whole family, they are carpenters. You know, my uncle, my dad. I was probably around 13, when I started helping them out, helping building the porches, whether it's, doing the walls or the countertops or cut and trim. A really good friend of mine who worked for Advantage and knowing my experience got me a job here. I like it because I get to work with my hands. I like working with my hands and seeing what I can build or what I'm capable of doing. My favorite wood to work with is Norfolk pine. I like the way it looks, I like the grain, I like the color, the smell kind of, One of the first tables I did by myself was a Norfolk pine. The table actually turned out really good. It's still in the showroom right now, so it's pretty cool. I get to walk by it all the time. But my favorite project was some live oak stair treads, and I got to see the stair treads in the house, finished, cut, routed. And we made the platforms for it too, and this was like a 4-story house. We made like 30 stair treads for it. And I got to take the wood out there and watch them set it up and see it finish. I like creating something that the customers, they like. I like seeing them happy with something I did, building them their table or whatever it happens to be. When the customers come in to pick up their finished product or slab, and they really like it, it's really nice seeing that. It's rewarding to see all my hard work, that they enjoy it. They have a smile on their face and they're really ecstatic about it. People like our product, so obviously we're doing something right. My name is Jonathan Kindle, and I work for Advantage Lumber.